Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online classes. Today we will discuss about the computer and generation of computers. What are the computer? What is the meaning of computer? And we will see in a different generation of computers. So coming to first one, what is a computer? So computer is nothing but an electronic device which is used to store, retrieve and manipulate your data. So first one, computer is an electronic device. What is an electronic device? That means it's completely based on the power supply, electricity. Another example for that one is television. Take a television, when you switch on that, when the power supply is supplied to the TV, then only it started. If the power is off, the TV is not working. In the same way, for the running of a computer, you must provide power. That means completely depending upon the electricity. And what is the use of computer? It is used to store your data. Storing means keeping the things safely. You must keep your books in a bag. That is the storage of the book. In the same way, some information or any data means some information, any information. It may be a word information, it may be a picture information, it may be a audio, video. Any information is called as a data. To store a large amount of data, we are using computer. Storing the data, keeping the things safely, for that we are using computer. Retrieving means taking a data. Taking a data means what was the use of storage? When you want to take or use any already existing data, then you can easily retrieving taking the data and you can use. Example, you store your music some songs in your system, so you want to listen that song, so you can check the where it is saved and you can start that and you can listen that voice or the song. Manipulating a data means placing the things. Manipulating means placing the things in a correct order, correct manner is called a manipulating. For easy understanding you, now students are using pencil boxes. In the pencil box you must keep the things, pencil, eraser, then only you can get the data afterwards. So keeping the pencil and the eraser is nothing but a storage. And take out and using the pencil and eraser is retrieving. Taking out is retrieving. Manipulating means place the eraser or pencil in a particular place in the box, left side, left corner, right corner, upside or downwards. It is placing the pencil in a particular position is called in the same way that is called manipulating. In the same way, computer placing the data in a particular manner, particular order is called manipulating. So now you understand what is the computer. Computer is a electronic device which is used to store, retrieve and manipulate the data. So what are the different applications of computer? Why we are using a computer means, in how many ways we are using means, it may be useful to online shopping, for the entertainment, for searching a data, or to perform your word documents, or for the chatting also, in different ways. In this present world, everywhere we are using computers. So what are the, why computer making that much important means, because of its characters. What are the different characters computers means? Speed, reliability, access, accuracy, diligence, memory, logical, versatility and automation. What is speed? How the character, how the speed is a characteristics of computer means, say, computer can perform large amount of data, large amount of work within a less time. Within less time, the work will be do very fastly. For your understanding, Just take an example of malls. In big malls, big shop, big bazaar, Reliance. In that, when you purchasing some things and when you going for billing na, there the shopkeeper is using giving you bill by computerized bill. Just think that same what are the items you are taken, that can be manually written, how much it takes, how burden for the shopkeeper. Just think that. So that is a one example. And reliability means giving a performance consistently means accuracy, uh, correctly. Co- Consistently means correctly without any hesitation they can do. For suppose he done the computer printing a 100 or 100 or 120 billings. So the computer cannot don't tell I am very much tired so I don't want to do any work. That means it does the work very consistent dedicatedly without any hesitation and gives the correct result. Accuracy means giving a correct result. Diligency means it doesn't give any errors. Example, for when you are taking a purchasing some toy. Okay, I want one book. Instead of toy, he giving a book price, and book he giving you some another price, another thing. Okay, it is not the correct one, but the computer never doesn't give like that. So that is depends upon the programmer. If they set like that, then only it gives. Okay, otherwise it doesn't gives the any error by default. That it's always gives the correct error. Another example is calculations. Take 10 lakh some 54,678 plus 12 lakhs 48,687. So when you are doing a calculation in a computer, it gives the exact result. Sometimes human being may takes a fault, may sometimes they calculate wrongly, but computer never gives like that. That is the diligency. Memory, it stores a large amount of memory. In the definition itself telling that it used to store a retrieve, store and retrieve. Memory means for a running a computer we are using mainly two types of memories in a computer. One is primary memory and second is secondary memory. Primary memory is used to mainly to maintain the computer run itself by itself, run by itself. For that we are using memory. If the memory is not enough for that, if you want to add an extra external memory, it can be possible by using storage devices. Because of that you can enter large amount of, you can save the large amount of data. No loss of data will be appear. And the logical, and I already told you the system is work very restlessly. How much you want to perform with the computer, it's always ready to, but you have to give some power supply to that. And it doesn't ask any logicals why you are doing like this because computer doesn't have any IQ or no feelings. It can be performed by according to the performer, that means user. Okay. And the versatility is nothing but ability to adapt. That means the example, the ability to adapt means it has a capable to handle all the situations. Sometimes the computer works as a calculator, sometimes it works as a entertainmenter, and sometimes it works as a communicator. Yes or no? That means it has a ability to do in a different fields in a different forms. That is versatility. Automation is when you press a computer, it's automatically runs, it doesn't ask anything. If you want to open a paint, just you just go to start button and you all programs and click the paint. It's automatically it gives a paint screen without any hesitation or anything. That means because of some inner building program, the system automatically works for the minimum purpose of the user. Understand or not? For suppose actually the painting has to done manually means what you have to do, first you have to take the brush, you have to take the paper, keep the things and everything. That means if you have any assistance, you have to tell the things to that assistance, he has to bring all the things. Instead of that, just directly you go to just clicking on two or three times you get the paint in a computer. It is very easy, and the manipulation of and performing the work also made them simplify. So these are the characteristics of the computer.